Teardrop is a 270-unit multifamily auction opportunity entering the market with a kind of scale, timing, and velocity that only show up a few times a year. This is a live auction window, and the buyer who moves now will be the one positioned to win. This is a type of asset where every operational decision compounds across hundreds of units, renovations, efficiency, lease up, and value add strategy, all amplified at scale. Institutional buyers usually dominate this lane, but today the window is open for operators, capital partners, and serious buyers who are ready to step into a real 270-unit opportunity. For partners who want to collaborate, we accept proof of funds via bank statements or balance sheet. We structure the clean profit sharing for aligned, ready buyers. If you are a 1031 exchange buyer, this is a placement window you don't ignore. If you are a value-add operator, this is the scale that accelerates your entire portfolio. If you are capital ready to deploy at once, this is your moment to collaborate with us. And as we move through today's auction window, mark your calendar for our next major capital session, Rising Capital with Ease, Coffee Time with Christina, Melody Group Session 27. It will be held on March 15th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. This is your teardrop. This is your multifamily auction. This is your window. This is Christina Melody Group. Welcome to join Auction Superstar, Auction Queen, Auction King community. Thank you and welcome.